A man once noticed a tiny puppy wandering near a big stone. Curious, he followed it, but the little one quickly slipped under the stone, hiding away. The man gently placed some food in front, hoping to lure the puppy out. After a few anxious moments, the puppy finally crawled out, hungry and trembling. The man carefully picked it up and brought it home. There, he gave the puppy a warm bath, dried it with a soft towel, and even trimmed its tiny nails. Clean, safe, and fed, the puppy looked even more adorable, its eyes shining with innocence. The man showered it with love, and the puppy, in return, wagged its little tail as if saying, "Thank you for saving me."